All right, so in this main section, let's talk about what you'll be doing for the English speaking and conversation lessons. As you can see, there are many topics that we will cover. These are all very important for your daily conversations, things you talk about all the time with other people. And the lesson breakdown for this section is going to be like this. There's going to be the first video that helps you build better sentences. Okay. So, what we do is we take a question related to the topic and we work on building a good answer. Not a simple answer, not a basic answer, but a real answer that someone who is a native speaker would give. And we do this together. Then you'll see a video that just lists through the vocab, the verbs, and the phrases. This video is for you to practice with. Slow it down, practice repeating the word after you hear it said by the native speaker in the video, and really work on your rhythm, your fluency, your accent. Also, use the PDF to study what these verbs and phrases and vocabulary mean. You'll see all the definitions and everything. And then third, every topic has at least 3 conversations. These conversations are real conversations between real native speakers, and they are done in both American accents and British accents. So you can pick which one you prefer to work with. Okay, if you want to learn a British accent, then work with the British accent videos and really study and practice with those. If you prefer American, you can watch the American videos, but you have the option.